I'm just getting set up. I'm going to be making something we love in our family. It's called Israeli salad. We like to have it with, you can have it with anything. We really got attached to it when we were in Israel, and it was always something for breakfast, and they had it all throughout the day. So you always started with something fresh, and so we loved Israeli salad. So this is my version of Israeli salad, and I got to get some oil from Lev Ha'olam, so I'm making it with a true Israeli olive oil. So that's exciting, and I use lemon juice to go with that. But another thing, and you know who you are, someone very special, Honey Special, told me the great secret to Israeli salad is to use a sharp knife, and so I use a sharp knife. And another thing they said, that you can tell a real cook by how small her dices are for Israeli salad. So keep that in mind. You can make them really tiny, and everybody likes that, but sometimes I just like to make them big and chunky for a bigger, chunkier salad. So it can be any way you want it, but normally it's a pretty small dice. Another thing that I do that is not in the recipe is I put some feta cheese in. That way it can almost be a meal by itself, or you can just put whatever you want in it. If you want cheese in it, if you don't want dairy in it, if you're having meat and you don't want dairy, then leave it out. So we have that. So I'm going to show you my list of ingredients here. Let me tilt you down real quick. All right, so here we have our list of ingredients. So we have salt and pepper to taste. We have olive oil, lemon juice, which you can use vinegar. I've done that before.